Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make buffalo chicken dip. First, gather your essential ingredients. About 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 1 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, and 1/2 cup of buffalo wing sauce. You'll also need 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing, and about 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. A 9 by 13-inch baking dish works perfectly for this recipe. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your softened 8-ounce block of cream cheese with 1/2 cup of buffalo wing sauce and 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing. Mix these together until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Then, gently fold in your 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken. Once everything is mixed, spread this delicious concoction evenly into your 9 by 13-inch baking dish. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your baking dish into the preheated oven and bake for about 15 minutes. After this initial bake, carefully remove the dish and sprinkle 1½ cups of shredded cheddar cheese evenly over the top. Return the dip to the oven for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and slightly golden brown. Your incredible buffalo chicken dip is ready. Before diving in, let it cool for about 5 minutes to prevent any burns. This dip is fantastic served warm with a variety of dippers. Try crisp celery sticks, crunchy carrot sticks, or your favorite tortilla chips. For an extra touch, garnish with some freshly chopped green onions or a sprinkle of parsley. Enjoy this crowd-pleasing, flavorful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.